I think crafters should embrace minimal crafting because it helps them to slow down and become more intentional in the design choices they do make. Hi, I'm Charlene.
I'm Leah.
This is Maryam.
I'm Michelle. By stripping away elements that aren't really needed in a design, it makes you more mindful of your design choices.
A couple of great reasons to embrace minimalistic card making is one, it allows your products to go further, and it also allows bulk creating to be done much easier.
Having less elements on a card brings out the beauty of your chosen design.
Our class will dive into 3 in-depth lessons that explore the elements of art to help you design and construct your handmade projects easily.
One would be to embrace white space, and the other would be to follow the rule of thirds when it comes to your design.
White space doesn't have to just be white. It can be any colour.
Thoughtful choices, intentional spacing, and good, strong contrast can really create a card that feels modern, calming, and confident.
Choosing a more minimal design doesn't mean that the card or project you're working on is boring. We are so excited to have you for the Minimalist Magic Less is More class at Altenew Academy.
I can't wait to see you in class.
Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.